It's a big shout out to each and everyone tuning into One Love Radio, you know. You don't know a thing. Good evening to each and everyone who tune in. Everybody where they are going to show the love and support to Amaziyah the Great. You see me I say? Everything up. Amaziyah, check the microphone there.
Yo, check.
See. So Amaziyah, what go on Amaziyah?
Well, I answer me there and to give thanks. You don't know over there, One Love Radio, we are big up 5. DJ Blacks, big up yourself. You don't know the whole fan base all across the globe, big up.
See. So ladies and gentlemen, you got Amaziyah in One Love Radio Station live for the very second time. You understand me? He was here before and he's here again. You see what I say? Yeah. Amaziyah the Great. Where offer to dance Amaziyah? Talk to the people and make them know what's good.
Well, a bag of things, you know, and not even a dance all alone, but whole entertainment perspective, so to speak. I don't know, we represent Spanish Town, Jamaica, and the garrison, you see me? So, we there to entertain, uplift, and educate the youth them with positive message, word, sounds, and power, music, and arts. Tell them precisely.
Okay. But I hear that, people. Big up on yourself, and you don't know Amaziyah the Great there. You see what I say? Amaziyah just bring a different vibes to dance, a different level. Well, Amaziyah.
Before you say another word, DJ Black, see what I go on. Me have to give thanks to every fan who support Amaziyah the Great over the years. Me have to give thanks for you don't know. Big up yourself who you always endorse the thing them right in the dance hall, in the club, on the radio station. Big up even Chopper, cause them youth they start, you know, send out the works the moment I go on, because him see the my name is Pam and a bag of things on Facebook, and then you don't know him start and dance it to the fullest. Spider, I agree, big up yourself, because you used to see these things I will come and represent to the fullest. So everybody we have support the music and the films and the arts, we say big respect, you don't know.
Alright. Chupa, big up yourself, because you make that link happen in a Chupa, you see me I say? Enough respect, you see me? Yeah. Spider, big up yourself, because you used to see this thing, you understand? Big up to everybody who support that something there also. You see what I say? So Amaziyah, where in Jamaica you from? Tell the people them what's good.
Well, I don't know, this is a garrison I represent Spanish Town, Jamaica, the whole Harbour Road for the bed lane. The whole of Spanish Town, the whole of Jamaica. Yeah, that's up.
See it. Red Pan.
Born a red pan.
Okay. Talk to the people.
They never thought I'd reach this far, but luck they keep on hoping for. Amaziyah the Great shine bright like stars. Looking at them face, how surprised they are. 24 Private Road, Fraser's Content, Spanish Town, Jamaica. How they some represent, design to create rhymes with a brand new difference. Excellent quality, lyrically content. You can't relate to me rhymes, me not chat no nonsense. Girls them a smile, cause them like me accent. Me using go dental tech, well intelligent. Me grow a feather bed lane, me experience harsh. Times under the garrison, now me independent. Me have a label, precisely, great amazement. Big up everybody who support my films and embrace my talents, because me, alone me couldn't do this all by myself. One Love Radio, big up.
Boy, I tell ya, Amaziyah, boy, I don't know, but you have a talent to where you work on and set it in a dance hall world, you understand me? So Amaziyah, I say, I watch a point on YouTube and they say, Amaziyah the Great, produce it, you understand? A poetry, actually. And you talk about dance hall, you involve the kids them, like you talk about bounty, you talk about the people that set dance hall. Yes, sir.
Well, as I mentioned that, you know, we have to give respect to the elders them and the pioneers them who set the thing, because here we go on. We see some you would come and load up the music and road up the music. You get me and say, alright about now we have to give kudos and respect to everybody who set the thing and pave the way, because some boys see it and feel like say, I feel them things for come them just destroy and teach the youth them one bag of profanity and insanity. But when you have to tell them say you're a positive message, you see.
See. People on the earphone themselves. Amaziyah the Great in the building. Live in One Love Radio Station, and I talk the things them we're supposed to talk, and him done set a change in dancehall industry. So right about now, I'm going to drop a poetry was done by Amaziyah the Great. You understand me? Amaziyah, you have nothing to say about that poetry before I play it?
Right, you know, when I kick it off, it speaks for itself. Precisely.
Alright. So big up to everybody that's tuning to One Love Radio and everything, alright. You see what I say? I'm going to play that poetry up, people, and just call in the radio station and just tell me your feedback, you understand? Number is 203-683-7254. Alright? You're going to let it go like this right now.
Me no like one a dancehall. Big beast.
Yo, it's the voice of Amaziyah the Great for those who never know. So me just tell them precisely. We come to represent dancehall in a different style, different flavor. So me gonna give them in a little poetic flow. Tell them precisely. Yo, Johnny. Believe me, grieve me, them a move evil and freakily. Putting dancehall in a place where it no need to be. Once upon a time, the message in the music, my great dancehall. So I tired myself properly. Just a day dancehall. Entertainment history was so much fun and exciting.
Keep on the ear for yourself, listen, yeah?
I chase dancehall, Whose pimples invade my body as I fell in love and could not escape dancehall. The music and I became one as my plan was to stand, expand, and escalate dancehall. I still honors and give kudos to the pilots who globally take dancehall. Strange but true, today some people hate dancehall. All because of business, I've been invaded by some culprits who produce fake dancehall. This might seem random, but seriously, I need a condom because the music industry got infected since they break dancehall. Some sell out the authentic Jamaican culture, just erase dancehall. Enough of them some oracle of blunts who not respect the pioneers and veterans who created dancehall. John Blink, so we are the dance. Amaziyah the Great, speaking next volume for all those who appreciate dancehall. World songs are powerful, some about a disgrace dancehall. Our future generation need to be nurtured with good morals and a safe dancehall. So I tell them precisely. Suffice it for Amaziyah the Great, I say yo, if you wanna read the music, let's save the music. The children are the future. And we have future and grow them up right. So we don't tell them precisely, big up the veterans and the pioneers who were before us. Some say big up to the warlord bound to kill them. Yo, Sizzla Kalonji keep it on. Burbanton, Shabba Rocks, Woodbanton, Cobra, Yellow Man, Beanie Man, Shine and only for others who the day who set the thing the real way. But tell them precisely. But tell every youth who are coming out of the business. Say yo, have manners and respect to the elder and try don't diss none of them. Because we don't need a conflict and a confusion. We don't need the violence and the illusion. So me I say yo, we got the youth them nation of Johnny. It's the voice of Amaziyah the Great, I was signing out. We need to go here to get to you across the globe. Tell them precisely. Because we all are stars. From Spanish town to country. Yo, peace. It's another global hit. Precisely.
People on the ear for yourself, right? Amaziyah the Great, don't talk to you. Don't go now poetry. Amaziyah the Great. Me also watch a movie on My Name is Pam. I talk about real life.
Hold on, DJ Black. So before you say another word, we have to big up Jeremy Wrangling. Because him beat the rhythm there, I don't know him, so great way the gateway, so just deal with it right away. So you say about My Name Pam now?
My Name is Pam. Watch a movie there and a movie there shot. He gone on the road. You see what I say?
Well, I want to tell you still in a real life, and I really full movie that because you weird. Well, I get what you pa. I mean, even Chupa call my phone and I say, yo, great. Set that on a real, feature film length where people can sit down and enjoy. Because really and truly, it's a local poem I read from last year. See? And me I will have vibe with it and me I say, yo, so me I go get rhythms to this. So me link up the youth them from in my community, Dan Frisco, Nika, from Smashing Records, and them just, create a little chemistry there. And I want to say to speak volume right about now because everywhere we go in the street, people talk about My Name is Pam. Especially for the females, because over the years we see say a lot of females being ill-treated and some of the boy them out the road. Me would even say men, some boy. Some look at dirty boy out the road that come class the woman them some way and I treat them like so them less. You get to me and say so My Name is Pam is elaborating about, a woman who go through the struggles until she end up successfully well. Big up my little sister, Miss Quality, you don't know, as she played a role. NST and Marcus and the whole team who come together and make this possible. With enough respect and big up on yourself.
So I have a question for you. Right? What was you thinking when you came up with that idea, My Name is Pam?
Well, my name is Amaziyah the Great, but anyway. My name is Pam, as what I say, me I'm a youth them there and meds and it's like, towards start, you hear the introduction. I decide so I'm going to give Pam a different side of story because all heap of people today in my age group can relate to the My Name Pam, something there. Back in our school, when we did a grow with the small, people can remember that I am a girl, I am a boy, my name is Pam, my name is Roy. So I decide I'm going to tell a different story because Pam grew up. You get to me and say, it's over 2 decades decades, and I know say, well, over 3 decades, so to speak. So Pam must be an adult now. So me decide say me not go reveal it in a way where you know the smooth pathway because we all go through the struggles and the earnings.
See it. Ladies and gentlemen, hear for yourself. My name is Pam. You understand? Amaziyah, I want to say enough respect for that what you're doing. You know? My name is Pam. Even though my name is DJ Black still. You see me? Yeah. With a giant Pam something there. But you don't know. You have to talk from real life story and experience that you have when you were smaller growing up. You see me I say? So right about now I'm going to play My Name is Pam, people, and you just listen. You don't know, you can check out Amaziyah the Great on YouTube, and you can check him up on SoundCloud, all social media.
Before you kick it off, the YouTube channel is youtube.com/Great Amaziyah. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. Like the Facebook music page, Amaziyah the Great Music. Precisely.
See it. People, I'm telling you. This is a talented young youth.
And My Name is Pam. It's available on iTunes. You know, distributed by Zodiac Worldwide. They don't know. And anybody who know the music field, the sound operators, them, the studio, the radio station. Just WhatsApp me on the number. I can send it to you right away if you go and kick it off with a blast.
See it.
1-876-477-6245.
Yeah, I know that. Nobody really fast. So I don't think the people will catch it.
1-876-477-6245.
Okay. We want to big up to the whole Bridgeport fans, Waterbury fans, Stanford fans that's tuned into One Love Radio and here Amaziyah the Great.
All of the fans
on One Love Radio right now. You see me I say?
Precisely.
Yeah. So right about now I'm going to play My Name is Pam. People now listen to it, alright? Cause that interview you loud. And if you telling about it, the artist here is well talented. You see me? Yeah.
And your mother was washing some clothes. My mother taught your mother in her video. Yes, Daddy.
Every single day, ram. Book, read something here.
I am a girl. My name is Pam. I am a boy. My name is Roy. See my name here? P-A-M Pam.
Wait a little bit. Hold on. You see, I knew Pam when I was much younger. I may have a different side of the story. Oh, now listen up and are you ready? Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully, plus a sour, selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, "Hey, if you ever leave, then you're gonna die. I'm the one who made you and I'll break you. Go on if you wanna try." The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, "Somebody, call police!" She remained by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peed. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share her Facebook post. Then suddenly start recording and virally shared it most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day while Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed having sex, but oops, no prevention. Few months later she was pregnant, no baby father was around. Her mind went googling, but Dick was never found. Billy shortly took her up and offered for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted.
People just calling the radio station. Tell me what you think about this poem, I swear. This poem gone.
Evidently.
You understand me?
Billy fell sick.
203-683-7254.
Suicide.
203-682-7354.
She sold back to
You understand?
Sweet. Few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life's journey got intricate.
My name is Pam. I got him say not my name.
After
she say my name is DJ Black.
Call her home.
Don't get it twisted, you know.
Later,
Yeah.
her education, for she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess who is that janitor at her self-owned clothing store? Once again, it's the voice of Amaziyah the Great, representative from independent ladies across the world. Never let your problems get you down.
Amaziyah, I just want to say big shout out. You don't know, you don't set the trend for that precisely something there. You don't know. You say your name is Pam, my name is DJ Black. So you understand? Yeah. So right about now, you don't say happy mode. And more of the people them listen to the happy mood there. You understand? Big up to Pam in Jamaica same way. Cause you say Spanish town, red pan. You see me? Ghetto style, said way. So big up to everybody that's tuned into One Love Radio right now. We are going to play the happy mood song here right now. You see me I say? Big up to everybody on the Facebook live right about now. Everybody that's showing the love here.
Hey yo, quality. said I'm gonna try to drive you out and I get without. Yeah, but we in a happy mood. That's right. So I'm gonna make the music sound. Whoa, are you ready? Yo, now listen to Johnny. I just them for no. We in a happy mood. Look how we find a happy mood. Nobody sooner. Attitude. Show a little gratitude. Happy mood. Look how we find happy mood.
6837254.
Attitude.
Show a little gratitude.
Amaziyah the Great. People for have a movie for make. Yeah, they know. Him is a filmmaker, also artist, and multi-talented. You see what I say? So I'm gonna play it from the top again.
Hey yo, quality. This is my quality right now, and I get without. Yeah, but we in a happy mood. That's right. So I'm gonna make the music sound. Whoa, are you ready? Yo, now listen to Johnny. This them for no. Precisely. We in a happy mood. Look how we find a happy mood. Nobody sooner.
Attitude.
Show a little gratitude. Happy mood. Look how we find a happy mood. Nobody sooner.
Attitude.
Show a little gratitude. So tell them hard and them not know the core. Tell them run hard and them not know the shores. We're and you be known for sure. I'm like you said, I'm gonna hold for gold. My magic suit and explore your soul. The year happy who will make you dance.
Happy mood.
The girlfriend likes just the way
Yeah, but you don't know, sometimes you're stressed out, you know, but you always have favor happy mood one day in life, right?
happy mood. Nobody's gonna happy mood.
It's a Pepper Monday evening, 6 to 8 p.m. One Love Radio.
Happy mood.
Amaziyah the Great is in the building.
Nobody's gonna happy mood. Show a little gratitude.
Turn up the volume, I'ma start whining the waist. Me in a happy mood with a bright smiley face. Hypocrite, I watch me tell them how vibe me space. Independent like me living, no time for waste. I'm living the life of a star, I'm sure. Quality me name fans, so give me encore. Style innovation, everybody wants more. I'm a style, get them back with the punch once more.
We in a happy mood. Look how we find a happy
Gratitude.
Nobody's gonna happy mood.
Attitude.
Show a little gratitude. Gratitude. Happy mood.
Amaziyah, I want you to do a call yourself for the people that don't know say you're live in the studio. One Love Radio, 106.5, 106.3. Right about now. Do that. Call
Right
yourself
now,
something.
you know what I said? Just find any rhythm, maybe just drop a thing like
You understand?
any rhythm.
Alright. You say
So
any
while
rhythm.
you search for the rhythm once again, they say yo big up the production because you said a happy mood something there. We have an album we produce. Me and Smashing Records. Great Amazement, Smashing Records. In a Spanish Town, Red Pan, Pink Bass up on the track. So me could get all of them artists that were up on it. NST, Gabo them, my sister Quality. A bag of people, Casanova, you know him have a thing going out the road because you know him on the local alkaline controversy something there. So we have them track that for send out to the radio people and say, yeah, what? We have that and we soon release it. You don't know. The album, the iTunes, Happy Groove, you don't know. Featuring the happy mood and a bag of things. So now look out for that people. Check it out on the YouTube. Check it out all about. Tell them precisely.
You understand? We'll tell you what that's tuning to One Love Radio right now. I must say, I'm going to get already, and put on it. Let me see how tough you be. You understand? Yeah, right about now, Amaziyah. This is the thing there. Is it?
Yo, a full time them know to get the youths of stars and superstars. That's who we really are. So I tell them precisely. Big up One Love Radio. DJ Black's Bigger 5. Alright. Why them never know say get the youths of stars out of the days. After got to get the youths of crawl. Fight we a get, we still a go farm. Bigger 5 tell them who we are. Yo, them never know say man a true born stars. The days after got to get the youths of crawl. Babylon a kill the youth. We still a go farm. Michelle Chocolate, me tell them who we are. Me born in the ghetto, growing in the ghetto. Amaziyah the Great rock, showing in the ghetto, knowing in the ghetto, exploring in the ghetto. Unity and love will make a flow in the hot girls in the ghetto, fat girls in the ghetto, beautiful Jamaican black girls in the ghetto, jokes in the ghetto, no doubt in the ghetto. Youth full of talents all about in the. Like them never know, so we are true born stars out of the dip. Stop the go to get the youths a crawl. Fight we a get, we still a go farm. One Love Radio, tell them who we are. Tell them precisely. You know done yet?
Ladies
you know done yet? Let me take it road. I'll be moving on, no matter how them a chat me. Moving on, cause none of them can stop me. Moving on, me see the heat and I watch me. God about my side, none of them can chop. I'm respectful to Amaziyah. Keep me name and step up higher. Live like a messiah. Read a psalm, chant a prayer. Compete them on vampire. Light them with the fire. What take them funny guy? I'm burn them with some tire. Women we admire. Like Alicia and Mariah. Women get.
Watching Amaziyah, you are got too hard. You are got too hard for the people in the radio station. Theoretically, you don't know it's One Love Radio 106.5, 106.3. You understand? Amaziyah, I'm going to play one more song, you know. Precisely. Where you say, unstoppable. Them try to stop you, but them can't stop you.
No the other time.
Alright, you see? So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to play one more song for Amaziyah the Great. You don't know featuring Black Widow also, you see it? Amaziyah the Great don't tell him say yo, unstoppable, you see it? Alright.
Unstoppable. Remix all the way up.
Unstoppable, I'm the unstoppable. From chick in the roof, but nothing's impossible. I don't have to look up, I'm off the ground. Enemies all on my feet, so I make them bow down. I'm a boss chick, y'all done lost it. I'ma let you back your tongue while I sit venomous. And you ain't gotta love me, ain't gotta rest me. Two-faced, I'll go back. Don't ask me how to do it better, ask me what I will do. You house seller tripping, I'm a vampire in you. I'm a bomb boy, so I'm all the way into. Hold up, Black Widow, what up? Inside the break, be the king of all tricks. Become a straight up you better put on your gift. You know that with my pen now. I never left out the game. I'm buying off of the jet. I know the haters are vexed. I'm doing that. I'm never fresh on the deck. And I don't swallow beef. It's too much to digest.
Big up yourself, Kanisha.
Crown me right now. The whole world sees. Unstoppable, no way unstoppable. Not for us to see my pictures. I'm just stopping us. Fathers popping on, we know we be turning up.
I'm from the Caribbean, people are Jamaican come from. I'm from the garrison, tell them Spanish talk red on. You could sing by the team and now them get wrong.
See. Look to the Facebook fans, them. I know so the Facebook fans, them, Lord, right now. Look to girl like Kanisha, check in. Everything alright. Yeah. Look to the whole Jamaica crew, check in. Red Pond, check in. Girl Chester, check in. All over, check in.
I turn on the river when them start to clear out. Joking. You know what I know, man, I'm king in a town. Well, the miners are until if you're bringing around. My flow sick and confusing up and spinning around. Unstoppable, now give me my crown.
People, I'm telling you, Amaziyah is multi-talented. I swear. Some play some tune you don't know, and then we just get back to that early. Just get back to that crazy vibes and One Love Radio. You don't know it's a Pepper Monday 6 to 8 p.m. Alright? Yeah, that's the thing there right now.
Hold on, DJ Blacks, I'm send up some shout out, cause right now we look like I eat that. So me answer big respect to the youth, them Nation and John, a big respect to the fans in New York. You don't know Liber crew. All Harbour Road, Spanish Town, Featherbed Lane, Red Pond, everybody across the globe. Michelle, tell them Caribbean Music Explosion, tell them precisely.
Across the road down.
Yeah. Mega Flex, Spider High Grade. Everybody, all got this, the whole of the CTs thing, triple rated, X-rated. You don't know, Deal and the whole team, everybody.
Big up to Trooper. Trooper, you make the link up now, you know. You use the love us, guys, you don't know. Big up yourself, you hear that? Yeah, Jay different, big up yourself also, you don't know. You use the love us, guys, you don't know. I want to make the link, so big up on yourself, same way, you see me?
Yeah, so just support the mission, Amaziyah the Great Music from Facebook and follow me on Twitter, Instagram. Precisely great, tell them precisely. One Love Radio, big up on yourself, big up 5 DJ Blacks. I'm glad for pass through Bridgeport, Connecticut. Tell them precisely, big up all of the fans. Egerton from Africa, all about. Big up on yourself.
Bless.
Damn you! Watch One Love Radio and I hear for yourself, you understand?